Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 211 points, NASDAQ up 39, S&P's up 20, gold contract up $6.90, trading at $1,615 an ounce. Silver up 14 cents at $27.48 an ounce. Copper up a penny and a half at $3.39 a pound. Light sweet crude up 47 at 47 cents at $89.44 a barrel. Bonds down 15 ticks. That's really unusual, folks, when you get a day that you get a couple $100 up on the NASDAQ, $20 up on the S&Ps, and bonds still refuse to go down at 152.11. Dollar index. They got that going south in a good way. Bottom line comes back a bit, down 76 ticks at 82.88. And the euro is going to save the world, folks. Draghi came out and said, don't worry, we're going to save the euro. Give me a break. Euro up 124 ticks, trading out at 122.83. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You're at 1360. We're up 22 points. Yesterday, you basically kind of flat market yesterday. Bottom line, we're at 882 million. It needs more volume, but you know what? It wants to go into the 1365, 1375 once again. Bottom line, that swing point up there is 19. It's going to get tested. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. Dow goes up 211 points. Now, the Dow is basically, we're already into that point. The lows of the high of the 19th was 12,889. We're at 12,887. Dow's going to go after that swing point of 12,977. NASDAQ Composite. What we have with the Composite is this. Composite really up 39 points, but really a flat market. Composite, however, did 2.3 billion shares. So that's saying inside the Composite, it's going to... Now, watch this. What happened with the Composite, folks, is this. The last high on the 19th did not get to its high on the July 5th. So you can see that the Composite is not as strong. And I don't expect the Composite will also get to the high of the 19th. It very well could, though, get to 2942, which is another 50 points higher. The Russell 2000. Now let's take a look at the Russell, because the Russell is the weakest, okay? The Russell today, you know, the high, last swing point in the high in the Russell is 820. We're at 772. Russell can't seem to move. The swing point from the 19th was 808. You know, we're at 777. You know, I suspect it's going to get a little more movement, but not much. Now, after the close out here, let's take a look at them. We had Amazon come out with numbers. Amazon missed by 1 penny. Amazon had closed at $220. Right now, it's trading at $216. And Amazon, by the way, had been down at $214, I believe. So bottom line, that's going to be up, down, and all around. Starbucks, SBUX. Starbucks came out with numbers. Numbers go like this in Starbucks. They closed at $52.40. It's trading down $4 at $48.36. And let's see what $48.36 does. $48.36, that's going to go into the swing low. Starbucks is down from 61. It's going to go into the swing low. That's going to bring it into the 47 area. And if we bring this on a weekly and we take a look at it, okay, so Starbucks is making its way down to 37 points. $37, right. Facebook just turn around, will come out with numbers. Facebook closed at $26.84. That's trading out at $27.90. That had been down $2.40. And let's see what they're saying out here. So Facebook, the top line revenue, the estimate was $1.16 billion. They took in $1.18 billion. The loss, $8 a share, and they claim they made 12 cents a share. The estimate was that for 8 cents a loss. The estimate was for 8 cents losing 8 cents. They've made 12 cents. Bottom line, the market's not believing them, folks. That's what it comes down to. What you have is that Facebook closed at 26.80. It's trading at 27.70, which isn't a thing. That means it's still down for the day. Zynga, ZNGA. This is a ZN. You talk about this stock, folks. Looks like it's going out of business. Period. This is an IPO. This is whole Farmville, the whole ball of wax. They pushed this out. They got this out, and they got it. This is March, April, May, June, July. This might be one of the fastest IPOs I've seen just go out of business. So this is what you have. I'll get to $1. The high for the year, okay, $15.91. It's hit $2.97 today. Now the $2.97 that it hit, monster volume. I mean monster volume. You're talking about 99 million shares. This thing is toast with no jelly, no peanut butter, no nothing. It's done. It's absolutely done. So if you want to see something that's really wild out here, we'll go over to Nova Gold. You take a look at Nova Gold. Nova Gold today is down $1.36 at 402. Now, if you remember, this is the low for the year is $3.61. The high is $10.62. The deal with Nova Gold is that a couple huge mines. They spun off the copper part of it. The last CEO that was basically running both of them went with the copper part. Well, what you had today is Barrick, ABX, Barrick Gold, one of the largest gold companies in the world. They came out with numbers today. Now, Barrick Gold, folks, their chart is done too, and they're done. It's pretty amazing, actually. Okay, so Barrick has been going down dramatically. We put this on a weekly for a second because I'm going to show you why Nova went down so much. And this is what you have. Okay, so we go back. Barrick was $55 right now. You're trading at $32. $32 bottom line gets you that, this thing's going to trade down to 31, trade down to 22. It's serious business, okay? Now, what the serious business was inside there when they come out with their numbers today was that the cost of building a few mines has gone up dramatically for them, okay? And they want to back away from that whole deal. Well, that's where if you go over to Nova, bottom line is that inside Nova, inside their mine, that was up that is up in Alaska. Barrick was responsible for the building of that. So Nova gets smoked because of that. And now inside that, what you have the largest owners, and this is where Paulson comes right back into it. It blows my mind, but they sucked him in big time, okay? He continued to buy shares. We had talked about this before, and I talked about Paulson. He was double downing on Nova. Double downing the whole way on Nova. Well, guess what? He just took $60 million loss today. Never mind, how much was lost right now. He owns 12.9% of the company. Continued buying right up until April 30th. Who they've also brought in to take it deep was Fidelity. Fidelity had just bought 10.4 million shares. Pretty amazing, no doubt. So, our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's go take a look at DECK. This is Decker. Is this Decker's? Yeah, Decker's Outdoor. That had closed at $42. That stock right now is trading at $49, up $8. Let's see what she has. That's a dead cat bounce. That's no big deal. This is a stock that just went from $90 down to $45. Okay, so let's see what they have to say. Okay, their net sales is $174 million. Their margins are at 42%. Their revenue is up 19%. Okay, so let's just go take a look at it. Everything's going to bounce at some certain point. There's no two ways about it. So we put it on a 4-year chart. Don't touch the stock, folks. This is dead meat. So this has gone straight down from $118 to $40. Yeah, big deal. So it bumps to $150. That's a dead cat bounce on its way down to $19.44. Some of the high volume stocks we have out here, let's take a look at them. 1 second. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we have, oh, look at that. Pluty Homes. Holy cow. So Pluty Homes went up $1.84, $11.86. We'll go back to that one. That's amazing, actually. Intel was up 37 cents. You had Microsoft up 33. Facebook, as we said, was down. That's up, down, all around after the market close also. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.